Restroom Reasonings with Surplus.
Hey, you ever notice how Jamaicans tend to say the opposite of what they actually mean? Like when a Jamaican say, me love how. Yeah man, it's alright. I like how you just, me love how you just cut and not even say nothing. Me love how you just get the money and you not even say, yo, money rich, you know. Me love. Opposite, me I tell you. Or when a Jamaican say, you know what the funny thing is? Or it funny how? It just funny how? You know that's something that never funny yet? It is the funny thing is that, you know, it just kinda funny how seabird drop out of a mango tree. I never even get to pick the mango when him go up there for pick. And don't even get me started on when them said, you know me no mean for. Anytime them say, them no mean for. Them mean exactly that.
Me no mean for cut you now. How much longer this I gonna take?
Yo, me no mean for this year or nothing, you know, but afternoon now, you know.
Yeah man, afternoon. How?
Yeah. Afternoon now. So, oh, you still have morning breath?
Opposite.